Hello, welcome to today's session where we will be diving into the enchanting world of Osmanthus Essential Oil and exploring its incredible benefits for our well-being. I'm Lorinda Walker and I am thrilled to be your host for this exciting journey. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand what Osmanthus Essential Oil is. Osmanthus is a flowering plant native to East Asia, known for its heavenly aroma and various medicinal properties. It's in the same botanical family as jasmine and lilac. The oil is extracted from the tiny, delicate blossoms, and it's packed with amazing benefits. So let's uncover its magic. The first benefit we will explore is its remarkable use in aromatherapy. Osmanthus essential oil has a sweet floral scent that uplifts the spirits, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. Inhaling this delightful aroma can create a positive ambiance, soothing both mind and body. Skin nourishment. Osmanthus essential oil is a hidden gem for skincare. It possesses antioxidant properties that help protect the skin from environmental stressors and premature aging. When diluted with a carrier oil, as it is here, it can be gently massaged onto the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Mood enhancer. Feeling down or anxious? Osmanthus can come to the rescue. Its aromatic compounds can positively impact mood, easing feelings of sadness and promoting a sense of tranquility. Diffusing this oil in your living space can set the perfect atmosphere for a relaxed and stress-free environment. Respiratory support. Osmanthus has been known to have respiratory benefits as well. Its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in reducing congestion and promoting clearer breathing. You can create a soothing steam inhalation by adding a few drops to hot water or use it in a diffuser to help ease respiratory discomfort. It is especially good at reducing phlegm. Therefore, this would be a great oil for singers, public speakers, and teachers, or anyone who must rely on their voice to make a living. It can soothe a sore throat, a dry throat, and laryngitis. Immune booster. Strengthening our immune system is crucial for overall health, and Osmanthus can lend a helping hand. It contains various compounds that possess immune-boosting properties, providing support to your body's defense mechanisms. Pain and inflammation. Osmanthus can be a natural painkiller. You can apply it directly to the affected area. This will help to alleviate muscle pain and any other kind of pain. Osmanthus is one of the ingredients in our best-selling Deep Blue blend, so we know it's going to be great for pain. In addition to muscle pain, Osmanthus is also great for digestive pain. Apply to the abdomen for gas, bloating, stomach cramping, and menstrual cramps. Romantic ambiance. Now let's talk about romance. Osmanthus has been used in traditional cultures as an aphrodisiac due to its alluring fragrance. Adding a few drops of Osmanthus to a diffuser or using it during a massage can create a sensually enchanting atmosphere for you and your partner. So, whether you are looking to elevate your mood, pamper your skin, or create a captivating ambiance, Osmanthus has something special to offer. And I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope that you add this to your collection.